Secretary of the Board of Trustees, to present to you the Presidential Regalia, indicative of the academic life of the university which you now lead. At this time, I ask the Very Reverend Michael J. Carroll, CM, Vice Chairman of the Board of Trustees and Provincial Superior of the Eastern Province of the Congregation of the Mission, and Reverend Bernard M. Tracy, CM, Executive Vice President for Mission at St. John's University, to place over your shoulders the Presidential Medallion, symbol of the high office which you now hold. Dr. Gemlisol, I now commit to your hands the Mace of St. John's University, which symbolizes our faculty and students, announcing by its presence that those who follow bear the power of higher learning, which dispels the darkness of ignorance and oppression more forcefully than any weapon.